you know that now you can create and edit events on WhatsApp? That means you can just create an event, send to people, and then they can say yes or no. Very good way for you to have an event being planned out. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can create, schedule, or edit events on WhatsApp. Let's go. Alright, to create an event, just go to any individual or group chat. For example, I go testing only, okay? And then just click on the plus icon at the left and then click on events. And then you can click on event name. So for example, you put meeting, so test meeting. So you can see start at when. For example, I want to start at 12, okay, and then the date also can change accordingly, and then you can include end time if you want to. All right, then you can add location, so whether it is, for example, you want to meet them in the cafe, just put in cafe if you want to. All right, any cafe, or you can have a link call. So when you click on this, that means they can come in through a call, so it could be video or voice. So I have another video to show you how to schedule calls, but for this case it's mostly on events, so we are not doing calls. Put it in, and then you can put allow guests, so you can allow people to bring one additional guest, just for example. Then you click on send. Okay. Alright, so you can see there's a meeting here. Alright, so once created, the event will be shared in the individual group chat. So this could happen between individual or group, so they can respond whether they are going or not, with going with guests maybe or not going. So for now I cannot see it because I'm the one that created it, but I can edit the events. So only creator of the event can edit and cancel the event. So for example, click, you can cancel the event here if you want. So only the person that created can do it. Without that, you cannot do it. So yeah, so that's how easily you can create an event, and then people can just respond going with guests or maybe. Easily done with this. So this new feature is quite interesting. You can finally create events. You don't have to do so difficult with other platforms. Hope this is helpful. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Thank you so much, and I see you next time. Goodbye.